If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to see how to complete the leaf in two ways. So long, short, long, short. So this is the first method to complete the leaf shape in Aari work. I'm using long and short chain. This one you can tell it as a cross load also. While ending, lock it. So other side we are going to see one more method. Same stitch, long and short chain, but a small variation. If you want an embossed look and the shape of the leaf is also very big in the other side, so what you have to do is, so complete long you should not give, you have to end it in the middle in between. So one should go to the complete end and other should end it in the middle. Like I'll start now. So till here I'm doing the normal. Now you can see long short, go to the end middle of the chain, long short, in the middle itself you have to complete. So one should go to the middle, complete middle, and other next chain should end in the half of the leaf. So you will get an embossed look and the complete leaf will also get completed. You have to do it in the alternative way. By doing this stitch, you'll get an embossed look for the leaf also without giving any cord in the middle. I think you got an idea. If you have any doubts, write in a comment box. So this stitch you can use it in the flower also if you want an embossed look. So the thread got cut. I am going to do the continuous stitch here. I have a separate video for how to continue the thread if the thread got cut. So check my playlist for the video. I am giving the outline now. Make a knot and complete. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.